Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to Mrs. C's Essentials Affordable Travel. Now, today we're sharing our top 5 tips to help you save money on your next family cruise. Let's set sail and discover how to make the most of your cruise without breaking the bank. These tips are in no particular order, but you would want to stay till the end to get the most value out of this video. Tip number 1, have water delivered to your stateroom. If you didn't purchase a drink package, consider having water delivered to your cabin. This can save you money on bottled water and help you stay hydrated throughout your trip. If you don't mind the taste of the water on board, and I'm not saying there's anything wrong with it, just to me personally, it's a subjective thing. So if you don't mind the taste of the water on board, then just bring your own water bottle. If you're not sure, bring your own water bottle anyway, just in case. There are several places on board where you can get water for free, which means you are saving even more money by not having to have water delivered to the stateroom. Tip number 2, bring allowed drinks on board. Check your cruise line's policy on bringing drinks on board. Many allow you to bring a limited amount of non-alcoholic beverages, which can save you money on purchasing drinks during your cruise. The ability to bring drinks on board is not limited to the adults. Kids can bring drinks as well. Now just remember they're a kid, and more than likely from the time that you board to the time your room is ready is going to be a few hours. So you wouldn't want the kids carrying something they could not carry around, like say that they would usually carry in their backpack at school. Now, on Carnival specifically, on embarkation day, a small quantity of non-alcoholic beverages, and this can be sparkling water, sodas, energy drinks, juice, and milk, packaged in either a can or carton, may be brought on board and must be in the guest's carry-on luggage. And Carnival considers a small quantity to be a maximum of 12 sealed, unopened cans or cartons of 12 ounces or less per person. So that's basically a 12-pack of soda. Moving on to tip number 3, purchase excursions and packages early. Booking your shore excursions and onboard packages in advance can often save you money. Keep an eye out for promotions and discounts offered by your cruise line before your trip. Most cruise lines offer between 10 to as high as 60% off for purchasing excursions, spa packages, photo packages, and more prior to sailing. A good rule of thumb is to purchase it when you see it on sale if it is in your budget. Rarely does the price drop lower the closer you are to embarkation day. And if you've enjoyed the content on this channel, please give us a like and a subscribe. Also, I would love to hear from you if you are a first-time cruiser or a veteran cruiser. What are your tips and tricks for saving money after you've booked your cruise? Moving on to tip number 4, limit souvenir purchases. Souvenirs can quickly add up and blow your budget. Set a limit on how much you're willing to spend on souvenirs and stick to it. Consider buying unique, locally made items instead of generic cruise ship merchandise. It is great to have a beach bag that has the logo of the ship you are sailing on. However, for other souvenirs that are found in the gift shops, you may be finding it a bit cheaper in the port, so it's always best to try there first. On to tip number 5, determine your onboard spending budget. Before setting sail, create a budget for onboard expenses such as drinks, specialty dining, and other activities. This will help to avoid overspending and ensure you enjoy your cruise without any financial stress. You may be asking, how do we do that? Well, go ahead and take a look at this video here up in the cards, and it'll explain just how to do so. Also, if you are looking to get even more information on how to save money, our next video will be on the 5 most affordable and family-friendly excursions that you can take while cruising. Now, there you have it, our top 5 money saving tips for your next cruise vacation. With a little planning and discipline, you can enjoy a fantastic cruise experience without breaking the bank. Again, if you found this helpful, please give us a thumb up and go ahead and put in the comments below how you like to save when you cruise. Thanks a lot for watching, and until next time, bon voyage!